Is it gray in color?
Nope.
Is it orange in color?
Yes.
Ah, is it very hot?
Yes.
I think it's Mercury.
Yeah. Now what's the second planet?
Can you give me few hints?
Yes, I can do. It has yellow clouds and it has stormy rain. It also has very tall mountains and a bit of volcanoes.
Oh my god, is it that hot?
Yes, very, very, very hot. It's the brightest planet in the solar system.
Ah, is it the brightest? Then I know the answer. It should be Venus.
And what is the planet that has rain, life, and a big blue sky?
I think it's the one where we live.
Yes.
That's planet Earth.
And what's the rocky and red planet?
Rocky and red planet?
Yes. It has dust, brown dust. It has red ground and it's very deep and deep. Very deep.
Should be Mars?
Yes.
Yay.
This planet is a dwarf planet and it's in the asteroid belt.
Does it come right after Mars?
Yes.
And it's a dwarf planet?
Yes.
Is it the smallest dwarf planet?
Yes.
Then I know the answer. It's Ceres.
And this is the biggest planet in the solar system, but it's very close to Saturn.
What color is it?
It's brown and orange and red. The red spot.
The red spot?
Yes.
What is that red spot?
A giant raging storm.
Oh, then it must be Jupiter.
Yes. And what's the planet with the big shining rings?
Ring. Even the Uranus has ring, but big ring is of Saturn's.
And this is the planet that's squishy and smooth. It's also bluey green in color.
Bluey green? I know the answer. It's Uranus.
And this is the farthest planet from the sun, but not farthest as Eris. It's the most farthest planet from the sun. This planet is windy and it has a bit of blue in it. Can you guess?
Is it the coldest icy giant planet?
Yes, but Uranus is the very coldest. It's a bit less cold.
Less colder than Uranus, but very far. Must be Neptune.
Yes, and after Neptune. It's a dwarf planet with a heart.
With a heart?
Yes.
What color is it?
It's purple, pink, indigo, and violet.
And it's a dwarf planet?
Yes.
Let me guess. Is it Pluto?
Yes!
Yay.
Now this planet is oval shape but in slanting, not standing.
Oh, it rotates in a slanting position.
Yes. But first it becomes a circle, and if it rotates, it becomes an oval shape very long.
Is it Haumea?
Yes! And this planet is red. It has a name that has double name. The same one repeating by double.
Is it a planet or dwarf planet?
Dwarf planet.
Dwarf planet red in color. Maki?
Yes! Maki. Maki has a double name. Maki and then Maki.
Ah, I got it.
And this planet is a bit bigger than Pluto and it's the biggest planet of all, but it's really not a planet, it's a dwarf planet. Its farthest from the sun is the 13th planet.
I know the answer.
Okay.
The one which is left is Eris.
Yes!
But what comes after Eris?
There are only 13 planets, Daddy.
And there is a belt, right? Which has lots of rocks. What is that?
I have told you the asteroid belt, na?
And there is something else.
I think I haven't told you the Kuiper belt.
What is Kuiper belt?
It's a belt that is very bigger than the asteroid belt. It's narrow, but the Kuiper belt is wide. Very, very wide. It has 4 dwarf planets: Pluto, Haumea, Makemake, and Eris.
Oh, so these dwarf planets are in Kuiper belt.
Yes,
I didn't know
and
that.
Ceres is in the asteroid belt, very narrow.
Ah, what are these belts made of?
Rocks. The Kuiper belt is made out of Kuiper rocks, and the asteroid belt is made out of asteroids.
So these are not planets or dwarf planets.
No, they are rocks in space.
What do they do?
They just fly around in a circle.
Okay, and what if it hits to our moon or Earth?
Nothing will happen. They won't hit on planets or dwarf planets
Why?
because they're just spinning around and around of all the planets. They won't hit any planets or dwarf planets or the sun.
Okay, fine. So is the quiz over?
Yes.
How many marks have I got?
It says Advik's daddy has got 13 marks because he has named all the 13 planets.
Yay! Thank you, Advik.